What is life? Well, the Bible says that life is like a vapor that appears for a little while and then it vanishes away. And as humans, we know that's true. But in John 14:6, Jesus says that He's the way, the truth, and the life, and no one comes to the Father but through Him. It's true, it is only through Christ that we find everlasting life. It is only through Him that we find life. And it is only through Him that we are made alive. In Ephesians chapter 2, verse 5, Paul says, "Even when we were dead in trespasses, He made us alive together with Christ. By grace you've been saved." It was through that work on the cross that we were made alive. And so today, as you go through life, ask yourself, are you made alive? And what are you living for? And remember that Christ Himself is the only one that can make you alive. Are you alive?